Alright, today teach you how to make a ninja star. First, you take a normal piece of paper and fold it this way, and then cut it in half, and then you end up with a sheet like this. Alright, first you start by folding this way, right, and then fold it again. Make sure you get it real good. Okay. Talking my kids. Okay. Alright, now fold it in half like this. So you get it good. Then I have this. Take this side. Make sure this is on down like this. Bring it down like this. Should have this. Turn it around. Have an L and bring it down the other opposite side. And it should look like this. Now turn it around. Take this and bring it down. Do the same thing to the other side. Hello? And then this. Turn. See, take it from the square and turn it down. Make a triangle. Hello? Oh, okay. And then you should have this. Sorry. And then you should turn on like this. Do the same thing to the other side. There you go. And bring it down. And you should have this. And you are done your ninja star. Psych. This is one part. Take the other side that I said to rip off and do the same exact thing. Now, here's the tricky part. See this part right here that I'm holding? Like this. You take this and like moving a pattern like boom, 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 boom. Put that in there. One step, and take that, put it underneath there, other step. Now try your hardest to fold that down in there, like you're folding some sheets. Just try to bend it. Bend it and stick it in there. Almost there. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, I think you get the idea, because kind of did it too perfect. Forget this. Well, yeah. Do this. Hello? Life is crazy, but so what? Stop walking around like you stupid, grow up. Do this. Bullshit. Put it in there. She really fell asleep. Talking about kids, don't let her down. Put it in. Oh snap! I actually got it this time. Oh yeah, there you go. It's ninja stuff. Take it. This is what you do with the ninja stuff. You take it and you. Oh. I'm gonna throw another one that I made here.